Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1955 Chevy Bel Air Convertible. Of course, it's unique to see a convertible Bel Air here in our lot. A lot of times we like to produce 55 to 57 Bel Airs, but of course each one is unique in their own way. Going to the one we have here featuring a very astonishing red, orange, and white exterior. Of course, you know Bel Airs were always two-tone combinations. That's really what gave them their gem. Having the tan style power top, of course, I will say again, it is a power top, not a manual top. Riding on some very nice chrome sport torque style wheels with the spinner caps. Moving on to the inside, of course, you can see it is an automatic on a column, being an updated column with the original style wheel. Of course, even our cluster there is original as can be. One thing that is different compared to all of our other Bel Airs is it does have the different style indicator where drive is first before reverse. Sounds a little complicated, but of course, the more you drive it, the more you get used to it. Moving across, you will also see we have a later model 2-knob radio with cassette, as well as the clock with the speaker built in on the dash side. Of course, you still have a glove box down there in the middle to really keep it hidden, whether it's your registration, personal items, or whatever. Having the finest style of a bench seat with its pattern there. Same for the back. Very nice to see that they kept something original other than your plain, simple one-color interior. But of course, even the carpet you can see is in good condition. Visors are in good condition. Everything about it is so beautiful. In fact, even one modification they added to the vehicle was the power windows. Still having the original vent window, but of course power windows are as cool too. Being that this was a restoration that served in 2010, a lot of interesting mixtures have came into this car. But of course, moving on to the engine bay, it does have a simple small block Chevy, keeping it old school with the manifolds, even the stock style air cleaner. But of course, one major upgrade that was added to this vehicle was in fact the vintage AC, which a lot of people tend to enjoy to keep cool, especially in the hot summer months. But of course, you have power steering, you have disc brakes. You can even see that it has power brakes from the booster, but also the disc looking underneath. But it is a solid, well-performing automobile, which of course now gets us to turning around and bringing it up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.